Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals, and I am here with a plan with me for the week of 20-something of December to the... oh god, I've got stickers falling apart. The 25th of January to the 28th of January till the 3rd of February. There we go. Using the leftovers of this Big Meat kit from Strawberry Lime Designs. It was the week of the Big Meat. I'm planning it in my new Erin Condren that we got in at the Big Meat. So yeah, that's cool. So 4 boxes. Just going to flick through these pages quickly. Oh, I don't know why half of them are upside down, but you get the idea. And then also have these bottom washi overlay clear stickers from Handcrafted by Cherie. Foil Fetty headers from Morello Papery, some clear overlays from Morello Papery, and vinyl headers from Nose Co. Then my usual stickers. So yeah, I've also got this one washi tape from Simply Gilded, but I don't know that I'm going to use it. So I will speed up and get straight on with it. Okay, so I'm just going to chat about the Big Meat while I'm doing all of the stickering. If you want to know my planning technique and what I'm doing and my thought process, it is simply fit as many of the things that I want to remember, or that I think I should remember, or big moments of the day down, and use different size gaps and boxes based on how important they were or how much I want to think about them. That's about it. So anyway, now you know that, I'm just going to get on with talking about the Big Meat, which is this week, the week that I'm planning for. So I stayed overnight on the Friday and Saturday night. I've just remembered actually, the one thing I don't tell you where it's from at the end is that foil overlay that I just put down, which is from Handcrafted by Cherie. I actually bought it at the Big Meat. Sorry. So anyway, me and Jenna stayed together in a hotel on the Friday and Saturday night. She drove us down, which was good fun. And yeah, so we got up, we had some breakfast, got ready, went across to the venue. We were sort of on time-ish, like later on time, like lots of people were already there when we got there, but that was fine. Didn't want to be too super early. Then said hello to our table, met them all. So I was sitting with lots of shop owners and things. So I was sitting with Anna from Planner Face, Beth from Strawberry Lime Designs, Emily from Morello Papery, Kelly from K Elizabeth Plans, Julia from By Gem Designs. Lissette also has a shop, but I can't remember what her shop's name is. Sorry. I'm having a bit of a mind blank. It'll come to me at some point. And then it was me, Jenna, who I knew before we went, and Steffi, who is also a massive Planner Face fan. Yeah, I think that's it. Is that 8 people? Probably. So said hello, like did our table gifts and things. Everyone was really generous. It was really nice. Had a bit of a chat. Had a quick look at the swaps table. Went and like dumped my swaps down because I just didn't want to be carrying around more stuff than it was necessary. But that's fine. So I got a couple of things from the swaps table, but I don't know what I did with them because I haven't come home with a couple of things I got from the swaps table. But it doesn't matter. I came home with a lot of stuff, as you will see on Wednesday when the haul video from the Big Meat comes out, which I'm about to edit after I've edited this. So yeah, we did that. Then it was the Timecraft workshop. That's really hard to say for me. They were sponsors of the Big Meat and they gave lots of things, and they did a talk about making vision boards. None of our table were really like that excited about the talk or making a vision board, so we just sort of sat and planned basically while the talk was going on, which was, and while the sort of workshop was going on, rather than made a vision board, which was fine. But yeah, that was that. Yeah, we actually did some planning at a planner meet, which is basically unheard of, which was kind of cool. So we just chatted. Then we had a little bit of time to shop and have some lunch. So we had lunch first, and the shop owners had some time to eat their lunch and things. Lunch wasn't great, it was fine. It was afternoon tea, and just everything was a little bit dry and a little bit meh, but that was fine. I mean, it's hard to cater for that many people, and yeah, it didn't really matter. Still ate enough food to keep going. Had some more shopping time. I went around all of the shops, got each shop, if you went to see them, gave you another freebie. So I went around all of the shops to do that. So that was good fun. What did I get? I got some things from Philo Fabulous. I got a couple of things from Handcrafted by Cherie. Got a couple of finals from Dotty Moo Designs. I got a couple of clips from... Where is it? There are two with Moo in their name. And one of them I got vinyls from. And one of them I got some clips from. Or I might be making things up. They might be... I can't remember. Anyway, I bought some vinyls. I bought some clips. Bought some vellums from the Paper Lobster. Yeah, that's about it. I'm sure I bought some other bits, but as I say, go and check out my haul. That will be out on Wednesday if you want to see what I got and the gifts and things I got. Anna from Planner Phase was super generous and made us all a personalised little sticker album from her shop. So that was lovely of her. So yeah, and bless her, she'd message me like, "Hey Tilly, do you want Tilly or like your full name on your album?" And I said, "Tilly, please Tilly," because you know everyone calls me Tilly and I get really confused when people use my full name. Right, then it was time for the Erin Condren talk, and she was talking about sort of how she started up her business, how she was literally bankrupt before this, and she was, when Erin Condren was starting to get big, they were trying to take her house off her, and she was like, "Look, I have this business that's starting to boom, but it's not quite there yet, please don't take my house." And they sort of looked at how many planners they'd started selling and things and didn't take her house off her. And then she was talking about she's just adopted another 2 children because their parents have sadly died, so she adopted them. So yeah, and I think they are her other 2 children's age. They're like their friends, so they are like nearly grown up children, like late teens or mid-teens maybe, looking at going off to colleges and things, because she was talking about looking at colleges with all 4 of them. So yeah, they have 2 pairs of twins. She talked about that for a bit. She talked about women and small businesses and how we should be supporting small businesses and how we should support our friends, etc, etc, which was nice. Oh, I know what I haven't said. Anna from Planner Face, sorry, this is a complete tangent but came into my head, won the Small Business of the Year award, which is very well deserved, and I am so proud of her. Like, obviously Anna's shop is one of my favourite shops, probably one of my 2 favourite shops, if not the favourite, probably the favourite shop. It's definitely the one I use the most kits from. So yeah, I was really proud of her for that, and she was so shocked, and the rest of us were like, "How did you not see this coming?" Like, what? So that was cute. Anyway, yeah, Erin Condren did her talk and then announced that she was dropping a new planner on every single one of us. So you might have noticed this is now a colourful planner, and that's because we got the colourful version. So what I've done is and there will be a video showing how I did this coming at some point, I bent my coil, took apart my previous planner, put half of my previous planner together with half of the new planner, and then the other halves together as well, so that I've got 2 academic year planners for the remainder of this year until June. So yeah, with the last 7 months, and then from February to June of the colourful, and then the same but the other way around, so like January to, do you know what I mean? Anyway, the next bit's the colourful, from July through to January, end of January is the colourful, and then it goes back into the neutral that I was using before. Because I was redating the previous neutral, it doesn't really make any difference because I was going to have to redate that anyway, and that way I don't have to redate for a little while, so I don't have to always use date covers, which I am going to enjoy. I've kind of been missing being able to not use date covers. So yeah, she announced that, and then there was a meet and greet with her, so everybody got to go up and say hello, have a little couple of minute conversation, not couple of minute, 30-second conversation with her, get their planner signed, get a photograph taken with them. And that was most of the day. They did a raffle and things, and we chatted a lot more, but that was most of the day. So then most of our table went out for dinner together, and we just went to the restaurant at the hotel we were staying at. That was really nice. It was really lovely to get to know people more in a bit of a quieter environment where you could chat a bit more easily. And then we went back to one of their hotel rooms and we played Cards Against the Muggles, which is a spin-off, rip-off of Cards Against Humanity, but with Harry Potter references, which was so much fun. Everybody but Anna was Harry Potter Anna and Julia weren't great Harry Potter fans, but the rest of us loved Harry Potter, so yeah. Anyway, I'm about to start talking and showing you where the stickers are from, so I better shut up, but yeah, that was the week. Okay, so here we have the finished spread, which is so foily. Look at that foil, so pretty. Yeah, and my first spread in my new colourful, exciting. The colours really don't bother me. I think they're quite subtle in this one, and obviously I put headers over the headers anyway. So yeah, I'm missing a couple of bits. I haven't got stickers for these two things or for guides, but I'll put those in later. But yeah, this was an amazing week, as I've probably been telling you in the voiceover. So I'll just show you where everything's from. The kit is from Strawberryland Designs. The headers are from, these ones are from Blossom Nose Co, and these ones are from Morello Papery. Date dots are from Rose Colored Days. January 2019 is from Handcrafted by Cherie. This Best Bits sticker is a custom from Plannerface. This week's sticker from Planning by Miss Eve. On to the actual week. This is from Toffee Bananas. These three are from Once More with Love. This is from the Pickle Planner. 1, 2, 3, 4 are from Fox and Cactus. This one is from Coffee Monsters Co, Little Thoughts Store, Handcrafted by Cherie for these two, JD's Crafts, Lipstick Planner, Ginger Cat Co. And then on the other side, the foil overlays are from Morello Papery as well. All of these, except this sticker on Saturday, and these two are from Once More with Love. This one, is that it? This one, and this one are all from Fox and Cactus. This is from Toffee Bananas. The work and these arrows are from Handcrafted by Cherie. These two are from Harriet Wright Designs. These two are from by Gem Designs. This one is from Rose Colored Days. This is from, oops, I've smudged. Oh well. This is from Strawberryland Designs, but not the kit. Toffee Bananas, Handcrafted by Cherie. And that's it. Oh, the weekend banner is from Philo Fabulous. I actually got some more of those at the Big Meet in my shopping time. So that is the finished spread. I hope you've enjoyed this video and hearing a bit more about the Big Meet. Let me know down in the comments below if you've ever been to a planner meetup and what you thought, and if you were at the Big Meet, let me know what you thought as well. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, all that jazz, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!